Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access ChatGPT from Vietnam. Now, unfortunately, before we do start into this video, you need to realize that ChatGPT is not yet available in Vietnam, sorry. So by accessing ChatGPT, there is only one way which you can do it. So please keep updates on ChatGPT because they're moving a lot of the time and to make sure that Vietnam will be the next country. But to start off, you need a VPN. If you're not sure of VPNs, just type best VPNs. Now for me, NordVPN is the best one. Open the VPN. NordVPN do a lot of trials, right? You can find them for free. You can get 64% off. You can get a trial. If you're looking for a month off, you can go to NordVPN, which do 45 days trial. So you can really find VPNs that are for free and sell them for quite cheaply. Once you've got them, you can travel to any other country, such as European countries or different Asian countries which have access to ChatGPT, and you can access ChatGPT from their IP. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.